Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add shipping time on Shopify. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Enter your email address and password to log in. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Shopify dashboard, which is the main control panel for managing your store. In the Shopify dashboard, look for the apps option on the left-hand side menu. The app section is where you can manage all the applications that you have installed in your Shopify store. In the app section, you will see a button that says Add Apps. Click on this button to start adding new applications to your store. This will direct you to the Shopify App Store where you can browse and search for various apps to enhance your store's functionality. Once you are in the Shopify App Store, scroll down until you see the Shopify App Store button. Click on this button to fully open the App Store interface. This is where you can find apps that will help you add shipping times estimate to your products. In the search bar at the top of the Shopify App Store, type Estimated Delivery Date. Look through the search results for an app named Estimated Delivery Date Plus. This app is designed to help you display estimated delivery times to your customers. Click on the app to view its details, such as features, pricing, and user reviews. On the apps page, you will find an Install button. Click on this button to start the installation process. A prompt will appear asking for your confirmation to install the app. Click Install again to proceed with the installation. Once the app is installed, you will see a message indicating that Estimated Delivery Date Plus is not defined as your theme app extension. This means you need to activate it for it to work with your store's theme. Click on Activate App Extension to enable it. After activation, you will see a toggle switch for EDD Plus in it. Turn this toggle switch on to enable the app. This action ensures that the app is now active and ready to use with your store. Next, click on the Save button to ensure that all the changes you have made are applied. Saving your settings is crucial to make sure everything is configured correctly. Go back to your Shopify store by clicking on the home icon or directly visiting your store's URL. This helps you to return to your store's main interface. Refresh your store page to ensure all recent changes take effect. Refreshing the page ensures that any new settings or configurations you have applied are properly loaded. After refreshing, navigate back to the app settings and click on Enable. This action will fully enable the app, allowing it to start working on your store. Scroll down in the app settings until you find the message text widget. This widget allows you to customize message text that will be displayed to your customers regarding shipping. The widget allows you to use various variables to customize your message text. These variables help to make your message dynamic and relevant to each customer. You can write a custom message using the available variables. The message text might include information about free shipping, order cutoff times, and estimated delivery dates based on the country and time of order. As you write your custom message, you can see a live preview on the right side of the screen. This preview helps you to see how the message will look to your customers, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. You can choose between different styles of progress bars, such as basic and advanced. Select the one that best fits your store's theme. The progress bar visually indicates the order status and delivery progress to your customers. Enter titles and descriptions for various order statuses, such as order ready and order delivered. This information will be displayed to customers to inform them about their order progress. For example, you might write a title for when the order is ready for dispatch and another title for when the order has been delivered. Specify the working days for order processing and delivery. Adjust the range for minimum and maximum delivery days based on your shipping policies. For example, if you process orders Monday through Friday and it takes between 3 to 7 days for delivery, you would set these dates accordingly. Choose how you want to place the widget on your product page. Options including automatic theme and manual. Automatic theme will place the widget in a default location, while manual allows you to specify the exact placement on the product page. After configuring all these settings, click Save to apply the changes. This ensures that all your configurations are now active. Go to the product section in your Shopify dashboard. This section lists all the products available in your store. You need to sync your products to ensure they are updated with the new shipping time settings. Click on Sync All Products to update all your products with the new settings. This action makes sure that every product in your store displays the estimated delivery time. Click on the eye icon next to a product to preview it. This icon allows you to see how the product page looks to your customers. Ensure that the estimated delivery date is displayed correctly. If the widget is set to unpublished, enable it by clicking the appropriate option in the app settings. This step makes the widget visible in your product pages. Go to your product page editor. This is where you can make changes to the layout and content of your product pages. Add a new block and select apps. This block will add you to the estimated delivery date widget to your product page. Find the estimated delivery date app and add it to your product page. This action places the widget on your product page where customers can see it. Place the widget above the product description under the Buy It Now section. This placement ensures that the estimated delivery date is visible and catches the customer's attention. Save your product page to apply the changes. Saving ensures that the widget is now part of your product page layout. Go to your store's product page and check that the estimated delivery date is displayed as desired. This final check ensures that everything is working correctly and that customers can see the estimated delivery time when they view a product. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.